Just making a video on my upcoming build for a 2008 Porsche Cayman. I just sold my 911 and this is the next project. So I'm just gonna walk through real quick with the camera and show all the parts I've been stocking up. I'm in the middle of redoing my barn to be a man cave. We just moved into this house, so it's gonna be pretty cool. So I have a GT 3 RS whatever rear bumper. I have the GT4 front bumper. I have the what do you call it, front valance skirt thingy. Then I'll go back here and go to my part stash. I have front and rear sway bars, transmission and engine mounts, new clutch, IPD intake, throttle body, 82 or 3/4 whatever millimeter it is for the GT3 setup, equal length race headers, blacked out side markers, short shifter, K&N filter, side skirts or side vents, side skirts, blacked out tail lights, blacked out headlights, GT3, 4, 2, whatever they are, front markers for the front bumper. And I should be starting it here in a couple of weeks. So I will post up another video as I get into it. It's gonna be a pretty fun car. I just sold the C6 Vet. This is my wife's Vet. We're gonna redo this winter, and this is my son's pretty built up TT, but we just blew an engine, so we gotta put another one in it. So I will document this build as I get through it and keep you all updated. Hope you enjoy. It's gonna be cool.